Good morning, P2 students. How are you today? Today is Monday and it's the 8th of June 2020. So today our learning target is that I can understand more how to make a circuit. Can we read it together? Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Learning target. I can understand more how to make a circuit. Very good. Okay, so here's our first picture. So here, the title here is how to make a circuit. So we know that in making a circuit, we need some things um, in order for us to make it, right? So again, circuit is like making a loop so that the electricity can go through, allows the electricity to pass through. So first, here we need a bulb. So this is the bulb, and this is a bulb holder. So a bulb holder allows the bulb to stay put, stay still, and to be safe because bulbs are made of glass and it's very fragile. It's easy to break. So we have to put it here. So again, so a bulb holder has two sides or two parts, positive and the negative side. Are you ready for the next slide? Okay. Okay, so again, we need a bulb holder, and this is a wire, right? A wire has many colors. It can be red, it can be black, it can be orange, white, red. I said red already. So there are many colors. Okay, so here we going to use two colors for us to identify which one is for negative and which one is for positive. So again, this can be interchanged. So we will just have to use colors to identify. So here, make sure when you cut the wire, make sure that you don't cut the actual, this is the actual metal part. So make sure when we use a plier, this is a plier to cut the wire, we make sure that we don't cut this metal part. So we are going to cut about 1 inch, like your thumb. If this is your thumb, this is like about an inch. Or if you have a ruler, I don't have a ruler with me, it's in the other room. So this is 1 inch. So we cut like this. So again, we use different colors just to identify which one is for the positive and which one are we going for the negative side. Again, these two can be interchanged, meaning it can be used for the positive or it can be used for the negative. Okay, now let's go to slide 4. So here, so we use the red wire for the positive sign. So if you can see, this is the battery, right? So a battery or a cell. So a battery and cell are the same. So this battery and cell are used for storing electricity. So in this, as you have noticed, we did not use a battery holder, right? So because this one is a bigger one, so we don't, and it can stand by itself. So there's no need to use a battery or cell holder. Also, it can stand. Some batteries, the positive is on the side, the negative is on the side. But this kind of battery, both the positive and the negative are on top. So there's no need for a battery holder. So again, so here you've noticed there's a circle here. So it means that when we put the wire, so we use the red wire for the positive. So this one also, this is a plus sign. A plus sign means positive. So like here we connect the positive to this side. All right, so again, positive, so positive and go to the positive sign. Next, slide 4. Slide 4, 5. Okay, we're now on slide 5. So here we use the red wire for the positive. So with this, we are not going to put the black one here and here. No, it will not work and it might break it. Okay, so here we, as you can see, the wire are cut both ends, right? To connect it here and on the side also. So here, again, we cut an end, right? So to remove the plastic or the rubber part, here, so connect. And this one for the negative. So we use the black wire for the negative, right? So this minus sign is negative. So we put it here, okay? So remember, positive sign in the regular battery, they are the pointy one, right? The pointy one. And then the negative side on the regular battery, if the battery is, there's two sides, it's the flat one. Okay, so again, when you put the wire, we should not put it here. We should put it on this side and connect it here. So what do you think will happen if we are able to connect this one? Do you think the bulb will light up? Let's see. Yeah, so as you can see, the bulb now is working. It lights up. Remember your assignment before? If you know, the light will light up or the bulb will light up or will not, or does not light up or does light up, right? Okay, so much with this. We are going to look at some symbols or signs, how to identify. If you see the symbol, then you can tell what it is. Okay, so I'm going to show you. So again, this is bulb. So here's the picture of a bulb. A motor. Motor is like this. I have a small fan with me. So as you can see, the motor is like, oops, the one inside the fan. As you can you see? All right. So here, like the big one that makes the fan its wings to turn. So that's a motor. Motor. Okay. Put it down. All right, so this is the sign of the motor, like this one. These are the wires, and this pointy one here will make, if you put something here, and then with the battery, then it will work. It will make the fan move. And this is the sign of the battery, right? Like this one. You see the sign, it means it stands for battery, the symbol. The switch is like this. Again, remember, if we make a circuit and if there's a gap, so if like this, do you think the light will, you think the light is off or on? This one is off because a circuit or electricity works when there is no gap. But here there is a gap. So if you push it down, it will work because here will close, and so the electricity can go around, make a loop. So this is a switch and this is a buzzer. We know a buzzer, right? We use it like in our house. It will make a sound like this. All right, that will be all for today. Thank you so much and enjoy your Monday. So teacher will use the symbols as your assignment and just make sure you identify the symbol. All right, thank you and goodbye. Thank you.